Welcome back. In our previous class, we talked about radical simplification of radicals. So today we are going to continue with that topic, radicals simplification. If you are coming across our video for the first time and watching on Facebook or TikTok, ensure you follow us on TikTok and you follow us on Facebook. Hit the like button and share this video to friends. If you are watching on YouTube, do well to hit the subscribe button, which is the bell symbol you see below the video at the left hand side. So let's continue with the series. Suppose you have to simplify root 864. Our first thing is to think of a number used to divide root 864. If I break this one down, I can write it as 2 times 432. Or 432 times 2 will give us 864. Then we'll split this one further. We have the 2. 432 is same as 2 times 216. We can split this one further again. We can write it as 2 times 2. 216 divided by 2 again. That will give 2 times 108. We can split this again further. This one gives 2 times 2 times 2 times 108 is the same thing as 2 times 54. So the first one, 864, that's 2 times this. Then 432 is 2 times 16, 216. Then 22, that's the 22 here. Then 216 is 2 times 108. So 222, that's 123 here. Then 108 here is 2 times 54. Okay, split this one further. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos. Then 54. We divide 54 by 2, we get 2 times 27. 2 times 27. So 2 times 27 will give us what? 54. So now we can split this one further. We split that further. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 27 you can write as 3 times 3 times 4, 3. 3 times 3 times 3. Now we can split this now. There's 1, 2 here, there's another 2 here. I take 1, 2. There's 2 here, there's another 2 here. Take 1, 2. Now according to the third law. Now, these 2, we have this 2, we have this one. We are left with this. Then 3 here, another 3 here, take 1 over 3. So we are left with these 2 and 1 over 3 there. So this one gives 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. And then we still have 2 times 3, which according to the first rule of radicals, we can leave that as root 6. That final answer becomes 12 root what? 6. 12 root what? 6. Like I said in my previous slide, I'm trying to split this thing so I have root 2 times 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 root 3 times root 3 times root 3. But instead of wasting that time, since I already understood the third rule of radicals, which we have treated in the part 1 of this series, root 2, take 1, 2. Root 2, take 1, 2. Okay? We have 2 left alone. Then root 3, take 1, 3. We have these 2 left alone, which is this. We have these 3 left alone, which is this. Okay? Now, let's look at the second example. 1 over root 8. 1 over root 8 together. We can split this one to write root 1 over root 8. And of course, root 1 is taken as 1. And then this root 8 you can write as 2 times 2 times what? 2. That will give 1 over root 2, take 1, 2. Then we are left with what? Root 2. Now, from what we did in our previous class, we told you we cannot leave the root sign in the denominator, so we need to what? Rationalize. To rationalize means to multiply the numerator and the denominator by what you have in the root sign. So if you rationalize, this one will give 1 times root 2 all over 2 root 2 times root 2. Of course, this one will give us root 2 all over 4. Root 2 all over 4. Now, to actually obtain that, okay, let me just clean this one so you see it clearly. Let's remove this one. Transfer this one this way. 1 times root 2 to give us root 2. Then we have 2 times root 2 times root 2. Using the third rule of radicals, that will give us what? 2. And then that will give us root 2 all over 4. Root 2 all over 4. Okay, one more question. 12 over root 80. If you understood what we just did in question 2, you should be able to apply that to solve this example 3. Which is 12 over root 80. But I'll leave you with this one. I'm sure you'll be able to solve this one. But I'll give a hint to that. We have 12 over root 80. 12 over root 80. That will be 12 over 40 times 2. Or maybe I should just do this one. 40 times 2. And then 40. 40 is the same thing as 4 times 10. 10 times 2. And this you can write as 12 over root 2 times 2. 10 is 5 times 2. Then we are left with the other 2 there. We are left with the other 2. So now, this one will give us 12 over root 2, take 1, 2. Root 2, take 1, 2. So we are left with what? Root 5. So that this one gives 12 over 4 root 5. We apply the same principle for rationalization, which we did in example 2 here. So do the same thing, multiply the numerator and denominator by root 5. So this one will give us 12 root 5 all over 4 root 5 times root 5. So that will give us 12 root 5 all over 4 times root 5 root 5, take 1, 5. So this one gives 12 root 5 all over 20. 12 root 5 all over 20. So we can divide that. 4 can divide this. 4 into 12 is 3. 5. 20 divided by 4, that will give us 5. So that the answer to that becomes 3 root 5 all over 5. It's as simple as that. Like I've always told you, maths is not a difficult subject. All you need to do is to try to attempt the question. If you have not watched our other videos, you can go to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@askthemathematician6252. Okay, or you can search for the topic on YouTube. You can follow the link below this video to take you straight to our YouTube channel. Okay, try to subscribe to this channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok. Until I come your way again, my name remains.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. https://www.youtube.com/@askthemathematician6 to 52.